This is your Monex Metals Market Update with Mike Maroney.
Good afternoon. It's Tuesday, October 3rd. My name is Mike Maroney, and I am coming to you today from the Monex Precious Metals Studio. Let's talk precious metals. Over the last few weeks, we've seen a corrective pullback in both silver and gold. Silver peaked at 1830 after rallying from 1515 all the way to that number, and gold peaked right at 1363. And if you look at the current numbers, you'll find that classic Fibonacci support lines have been tested. The overall support in the gold market, as far as your 61.8% support zone, comes in at exactly 1268, which is approximately a $90 pullback. Now, interestingly enough, if you look at the timing of this situation, typically what happens in the first week of October, we experience a holiday in China known as Golden Week. And they're basically celebrating the independence or the beginning of the communist regime. After Golden Week, over the last 3 years, it has not been unusual to see a nice bump back to the upside in gold. And when you consider the fact that we were trading at 1360, we've had a 61% retracement, which has taken us back down to 1268. We're holding strong, and Chinese buyers potentially come back into the market next week. Now may be a very strong time to look at potentially accumulating gold. Now let's talk about silver. Silver rallied from 1515 all the way up to 1830, a $3.15 move. The 61.8% retracement comes in right around 1635, and the 50% retracement comes in right at 1677. Now, once you break below the 50% retracement level, that support now becomes resistance. And a lot of people believe, because we're in the midst of Golden Week and gold is a little bit weaker than normal, that maybe we'll get an opportunity to see silver also test that 61.8% retracement number down around 1640. Now, I know a lot of people are looking at precious metals and trying to calculate an entry point that makes sense. And if you look at the current situation, and if you look at the past performance that typically takes place after Golden Week, now may be a tremendous time to try to lock in low price levels on both silver and gold. And remember, the dollar has bounced off the recent low at 91.20, and we bounced all the way up to 93.80. If the debt ceiling situation, which was postponed until December, starts to become a major political issue, don't be surprised if the US dollar takes out that 91.20 support zone. And remember, when we were at 91.20 the last time, silver was in the low 18s and gold was in the high 1300s. Add in this additional catalyst, and we could easily see this market break out to the upside. Now may be one of the better times to accumulate physical gold, especially for delivery. Every individual, every investor, based on the overall situation that exists as far as the U.S. stock market is concerned, should be looking at adding gold as a way to offset risk in your portfolio. And now may be one of the best times. Please give us a call here at Monex so we can explain how you can take advantage of these prices today and take delivery of either gold or silver and understand the amazing feeling of holding coins in your hand. Give us a call today. Thank you.